always been a trailblazer in aligning itself with Pakistan's future energy needs. HUBCO was the first power plant set up in Pakistan. It also pioneered the first hydropower project in Pakistan and also co-invested in the first large-scale indigenous coal mine in Tharparkar, and which has offered cheapest electricity in the grid, and all of us are benefiting from it. Not only this, all our investments have actually ushered a new era of investment in the sectors we've touched, and we expect the same to happen in the EV, in the charging infrastructure, in the battery technologies, so that Pakistan can benefit from the FDI and the investment. Our success is built on strong global partnerships. We are proud to collaborate with the world-leading organizations, which include the World Bank, IFC, ADB, China Power, Sinomac, General Electric. The list goes on and on. These partnerships have enabled us to grow and diversify not only in energy but sustainable infrastructure. In our pursuit for sustainable future, we are proud to partner with BYD, the world's leading new energy vehicle company. This significant collaboration will help us achieve our goal to be not just the energy company, but a consumer company as well. And we will align ourselves to be a responsible global citizen and fulfill the BYD's global vision of cooling the planet by 1 degree Celsius. Together, we are creating a shared value for our customers, for our community, and the environment that we live in. To bring this vision through Mega Motors, we are establishing 3 state-of-the-art flagship stores across Pakistan, starting from Karachi, in a landmark place called Metropole, in Lahore on the main boulevard, and in Islamabad. With these hubs will showcase our commitment for quality, customer satisfaction, and mirroring global standards while catering to the local preferences. We are expanding our footprint by partnering with enthusiastic entrepreneurs to set up the dealership network across Pakistan. We aim to set up 20 to 25 dealerships in the first 3 years. I think these are critical, that everybody who's the car enthusiast has a convenient location closer to his home to go and buy a BYD car. Our vision that in 5 years, every third Pakistani should own a BYD, and every Pakistani who desires to own a car should actually own a BYD car. Building consumer confidence is at heart of our strategy. We will deliver world-class after-sales service that matches rigorous quality standards of BYD, as we saw a company 30 years ago which came up, or which was founded, has taken everyone by the storm 30 years later and has become the technology leader. I think our customers will enjoy the diverse and innovative services, accessibility of the newest technology, and value for money, ensuring a seamless ownership experience. In a landmark investment, we are not just going to be one of the resellers. We will set up the first state-of-the-art new energy vehicle assembly plant in Karachi. This will create an enabling environment for mass adoption of electric vehicles, because having the technology at an affordable price is a critical element for the distribution of technology or ownership of technology. This will create, we require an enabling infrastructure, and we are fully committed to doing so. The adoption of electric vehicles requires a robust charging infrastructure, and we will set up extensive fast charging infrastructure in the major cities, on the motorways, on the highways, so that our customer never has to think about a charging when he leaves